This guy's up G. Alright guys, so we're about to start the steering wheel after none of you guys wanted to buy it, man. It was a steal, but I guess nobody of you guys wanted it. But it's the forged carbon fiber steering wheel. Oh man, this thing look beautiful, man. Woo. But yeah, we got two quick releases. We're just gonna put the quick release. I don't think the butterfly detaches, so we're just gonna put that one. We bought the new horn. This is the piece we were missing. I ordered this from Zexulous, but they did not give me it. Technically I could just go through PayPal and get my money back, but honestly I already did that once. I'm not gonna go through the trouble again. This thing is only 13 bucks, so whatever. I kind of just want to stop dealing with that company. But we got all our bolts back. We got the little frame. We got all our bolts, and my friend Ross, he's gonna help me install it. He also has some circuits. What do you call it? They're not circuit, they're called resistors. There you go, thank you. He's got some resistors to help me turn off the airbag light, hopefully. Right now it's turned on because of the seat sensors, the airbags from the seats. So step one, unplug your battery unless you're willing to take a hit. In that case, don't unplug it and let me know how it goes, because I want to see that. Here we got Ross. He's trying to figure out what's the first step to remove.
What first step?
He tried pulling the steering wheel, it's not working.
The star with the little secret hole in the middle. I might have one. I gotta check my phone.
Okay, we're gonna have to figure out. It's a special key. All right, guys. First step, you need this special key right here on the side. You can't really see exactly like this, but it has a hole in the middle. So it's a special key. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight right now to pick one up. So if you don't have one, go to the store, buy it. I don't know what size it is, but I think they come in a set, right? Like different sizes. 3, 2, 1. All right, there. We didn't catch you guys our Harbor Freight. We just came that fast, but we went to Harbor Freight. We picked up a torque wrench, really cheap one, just for the spark plugs, which I think will be fine. And we picked up a set. You want to show them right there? It's one of those sets. You see how it has a hole in the middle? There you go. All right, guys. So as you guys said, the best thing Zexulous ever did for me is probably this. They sent me 2 quick releases on accident. That's probably the best thing they did. They send me a butterfly one, and they send me a quick release. I don't think the butterfly actually detaches, so my steering wheel will get stuck on there. But with the quick release, you can obviously take off your steering wheel. I think I'm just gonna go with the quick release and just take the steering wheel with me. It could be like a self-defense weapon, you know. Follow me, be distinct. If you guys haven't already, you guys don't know who he is, you're watching his channel right now. So alright guys, so if you guys don't want to buy the whole set and you want to buy single ones, although I don't think you can find one, maybe on Amazon, I don't know. It's a T30. One of those, what did you call it? Secret?
It's called a security torque wrench.
Security torque wrench?
Bit.
So my friend just pulled out the airbag. These were what the bolts were holding on. Oh, there you go, the brackets down. They sent us no instructions. We have a bunch of cables here. We're gonna try and figure this thing out. But well, I gotta upload a video for you guys, so I'm still working on it. But you already know the grind goes 24/7. He used all his strength. What size was it? 19. There you go. I was gonna hold it for him, but he was able to get it done. Man, look, bro. Man, look at him. He's a freaking genius. Look at this shit. He should work at Infinity. Oh, I know. Why don't you work at Infinity?
You know what? I was actually offered a job there.
Then why don't you work there? You could get all the hookups. All right, so.
I'm gonna drive from now on.
Oh shit! Like a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Bro, that would be legit. All right, guys. After a couple minutes of consultation, Ross came to the conclusion that actually no conclusion. Basically, we just he just installed the G35 adapter, which goes on to whatever that is. Was that the clock spring?
Yes, the clock spring and the spall.
Yeah, so and then he's putting the bolt back, the center bolt in the middle. Also, like, give them a little bit of advice of like what you told me earlier about like alignment and things like that.
Keep your clock spring centered, your wheel centered, and don't move the clock spring around. The hub adapter has a little cutout that you want the little nipple to sit into.
Yeah.
That way your car knows that you're actually driving straight when you're straight.
Gotcha.
Turning when you're turning.
Sick. What about, like, I know we're having a little kind of like where should the horn, like the horn ground and everything like that for it to work? We're still trying to figure that out.
We'll get to that.
We'll get to that, guys. Stay tuned right after these commercials. Yeah, hopefully he brings his car, guys. He just recently bought a G35 supercharged. We had the air horn cable.
Horn cable.
And we're trying to figure out what to plug into because both of these, we were thinking, let me see the other one, the one you showed me, the male one. Yeah, we needed something like this to connect that. But we figured that we needed this little metal horn plate there. And then that horn cable gets connected onto there. Like that. Just like that.
There's a couple of ways you can do it. I'm trying to find the best way for this thing to fit. And not be like just out in the open. Basically, I'm worried about the connection since these are really thin wires.
Gotcha.
I'm worried that if you just put it in there, that I won't be consistent.
I see.
So I want to put it in.
Can you double them like how you had them doubled and shove them in to where they were at?
I tried. It was still feeling kind of inconsistent.
Oh, is that Gabe? Get the fuck out. Oh, look at it. He's such a beast. Ah, bro, clean it. Little that's supercharged. Yeah. Oh man, dude, he's such a beast. Damn, this guy's a beast. This guy's a beast. Oh man, way to put me down like that. Huh? Now he switched to a supercharged G35. Look at those brakes, bro. And he's got bulk racing wheels. Look at this, bro. And carbon diffuser.
I'm pretty sure.
Alright guys, my camera's freaking messing up, but anyways, we wanted to install that thing, okay? Zexulous, it's not enough that they freaking didn't send my steering wheel out for another 3 months. They keep messing up. That thing had 2 female connectors, just like that, but it needed a male and a female, like how it is right now, which he got from the other quick release. So maybe they sent us the other quick release because they know they messed up. So I don't know, we still don't know, but anyways, you guys probably won't have to do this because you probably got yourself something from NRG or something from what's the other brand?
Something decent.
Something better than Zexulous, right? And well, you got all your stuff right. And it comes with instructions, so not this one, but like an NRG one. So we had to do some custom shit here. Oh, Ross did some custom shit.
These are resistors.
Yeah, he just did the resistors. I showed you guys earlier. He did some freaking ninja because you cannot see them. And he basically electric taped them. Yep, all good. And so now he's basically just gonna assemble everything, put everything into place. All right guys, he took off the adapter because we wanted to straighten it up a little bit, but he made a quick little thing right there. There's this bolt right here. It has this I don't know if you can see it, but it has a freaking line. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like a little,
like right there.
yeah, it's like a little, what do you call it? A little marking?
Notch, scratch.
Yeah, scratch or something.
Factory alignment part.
Yeah, and you're supposed to line that little mark on the bolt to that bolt that he's pointing at right now. So if that little line is pointing somewhere else besides that, good luck, bro.
Also,
good luck. Just don't drive near me, but
also make sure that line matches up with your clock spring.
Oh yeah,
and that those are all straight. So this dot, the little rubber thing in the back,
the little nipple, right?
Yeah, the rubber
nipple. Yep.
That and all this lines up.
All right, guys, you guys heard it here. The nipple, the little
notch,
hole, and the adapter, and the little notch right there, and the bolt.
Yep.
Oh, I'll have to line up. If not, stay away from the road, sell the vehicle, buy yourself a new one, and you'll be set. All right, guys, we're trying to race here with the daylight, but well, basically he got everything installed. The 2 female, he basically converted a female into a male and made that male, you know, go in the female. He made 2 females work together, but this guy's a genius. He does all that kind of work. But connect this real quick. Oh, works? Ah, hell yeah. Look, that's the one. Perfect. This guy's a genius. Oh, that looks good.
Just drive like this, bro.
Huh? Just drive like this fool.
Dude, you wanted a smaller steering wheel, look.
Yeah, oh, hey, we're done. We're done, guys, here. Hey, I hope you guys liked the video. Not bad, not bad. Don't. Okay. Oh, and with, oh shit. I'm actually kind of glad I kept it. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're gonna continue. It's a very beautiful day to continue our project. So, but a quick little thing I wanted to tell you guys, you probably don't have to do any of this, but I just wanted to tell you my process and things like that. All right, so you guys see back here, you have two sets of screws, two holes. You have this hole, this hole. This is a smaller diameter pattern. This is a bigger diameter pattern. So basically, this is aligned, right? This is how it's gonna go. But that bolts in, right now it's correct. We already fixed it, but I'm telling you, before it didn't fit in this diameter. The steering wheel was in this smaller diameter. And the frame too, the frame was a smaller diameter, so it wasn't fitting. So we had to freaking drill these holes, the holes where it's at, we had to drill them in the steering wheel, and so that it can fit. Now it's perfectly fine, you know, it's nice, but before it didn't, bro. I'm just telling you guys because all the custom thing that we had to do just because of all their mistakes and things like that. And like you guys saw earlier, my friend Ross, he had to convert females into males and all that sort of stuff, all because of them. So at least it all worked out at the end, but I'm just saying. Hopefully, I think this is good now. Alright guys, we're about to set off. Oh gosh, this feels a little weird. Give it a little nice. Let's do some, oh look, the freaking, the thing to turn left and right are a little bit farther back. A little bit farther back, right here. So before I used to be able to, you know, kind of just grip it here, but now I gotta really, you know, really stretch. I guess I might as well just pull it here, but it feels good. I like it. It's like, it's nice and grippy. If you the major thing I feel right now is that it's small. It feels super small, but like I could really grab it with one hand. Like, I don't know, it just feels nice. It's different. It feels different. I guess that's the right word. It feels different. Hopefully we get some sun here. Oh, definitely some sun here. You could really see the carbon in the sun. It shines in the sun, baby. Oh, that looks good. That does look good. So far, is everything good? Let's get this camera real quick. Look, just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home. We turn off the vehicle. This quick release is a little hard, but I kind of want it like that so it doesn't, you know. Okay, yeah, definitely can't do it with one hand. Let's see if I can hold that camera with my chin. There you go. Oh. So that's how you take it off. And well, that's it, guys.